Every man reaches a moment where he looks at his life and realizes, this isn't who I'm meant to be. Something has to change. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now. If you're tired of feeling stuck, unfocused, or lost, this video is for you. Section 1. Accept the truth. The first step to rebuilding your life is simple but brutal. You must accept the truth about where you are. No more lies. No more excuses. No more blaming life, people, or your past. You are exactly where your habits brought you, and you will be exactly where your discipline takes you. This truth hurts, but it also frees you, because from this moment on, you can rebuild. Section 2. Cut what is destroying you. Before you build anything, you must destroy what's holding you back. List calmly. Cut the friends who keep you average. Cut the habits that drain your time. Cut the addictions stealing your focus. Cut the mindset that tells you, tomorrow. Rebuilding your life as a man begins with subtraction. Remove the noise. Remove the weakness. Remove the distractions. Section 3. Build discipline, the foundation. Now that the noise is gone, you build discipline. Wake up early. Train your body. Read daily. Stay offline when others waste hours scrolling. Work when others sleep. Discipline is the difference between a man who changes his life and a man who keeps wishing. Pause. Discipline is not motivation. It is a promise you make to yourself. Promise that says, I will not quit. Section 4. Create a new identity. To rebuild your life, you must rebuild your identity. Speak with a calm but strong tone. Stop saying, I'm lazy. I'm broke. I'm not good enough. I'll never change. These are not facts. They are chains. Break them. Instead say, I am disciplined. I am focused. I am improving every day. I am becoming the man I was meant to be. Your identity writes your destiny. Section 5. Take action daily. Small actions create massive change. Speak slowly. Train today, read today, improve 1% today, work on your goals today, clean your space, eat for energy, sleep like a warrior. Do this for 90 days and your life will not be the same man you were when you started. Rebuilding is not magic. It's consistency. You don't need permission. You don't need approval. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Your future depends on the man you choose to become, and that choice starts today. Stand up. Take control. Rebuild your life. Become the man you were born to be. If you're ready to level up, subscribe. More masculine motivation is coming. Your transformation begins now.